Peter here from CJ Sheeran. So I'm the Purchase and Operations Manager of the group.
I'm Tommy, Production Supervisor in the manual build area in CJ Sheeran's.
Okay, so we started off our training projects here maybe 2 or 3 seasons ago through Laois Offaly Education and Training Board. So we started off with the green belt, myself and Tommy started with the green belt, and we've involved more of the team since in the process, and we've moved on to the black belt since. We'll be running normally maybe 4 or 5 pallets a minute. Okay, so that output there has increased to 7 to 8 pallets a minute, which is quite drastic, and that's in line then you're looking at PM schedules, preventive maintenance, all that kind of stuff that fits in with it. That in turn takes it on to Killins. Once upon a time here we used to dry 8,000 or 9,000 pallets a week. That output now will be up at 22,000 pallets a week at the peak time, but not through extra machinery, through what's already there. So it's down into dwell times for Killins, quick changeovers, all that's in the process with that. And the same to you, Tom, in manual build. Your hourly output there will be greatly increased.
So yeah, so over the first 6 months after we've done the original project, we've been tracking it through, and we before our project started we were producing probably maybe 7 pallets per man per hour. So with the same number of guys after our project, in the first 6 months we had that up to 12 to 13, which is where a year later it's still there. So it's just a huge improvement in the way the guys are working, and they find it much easier to get their stuff through. Like, so we haven't increased any more workers, we still have the same amount of workers. With increasing the floor area that we had, getting rid of some of the waste that we've seen around the place, and changing some of the processes about how we go about making pallets every day.
Yeah, great change here on site. Everyone well engaged, process in place, a lot of processes followed here now. Overtime greater reduced, and that's all through greater output really.